Hi, this is Jerry. I'm from Garage Gurus. We had a question from a gentleman on Facebook. Has a 94 S-10 with a 4.3 with a lot of miles on it, and it has a sucking sound coming from the intake manifold. I had a truck just like this, and it was the throttle body base plate gasket. You can find that on the FMECAT website. The throttle body gasket is a part number 60903. On mine it was pulled in right here at the back side. It's an easy fix. It's 3 bolts, and that should take care of your problem. If you have any other questions, you can contact us at FM Garage Gurus.